gonna head to the gym, do a quick little workout. Had a busy day at work today, so gonna decompress, hit some chest and back. So just an upper day. Pretty tired, so I'm just gonna drive, but appreciate you for watching, man, as always. Hope life's good on your end, and hope you enjoy the video. Got the heated steering wheel turned on because it is not warm outside. Thing is slammed. Thinking about maybe getting some Meta glasses. Might try those out. I've just been kind of turned off by the 3-minute time limit that they have you film on, but you could just shoot in bursts, I guess. But let me know if you guys think that would be a good idea. If you think I'd get better content from Meta glasses. I've seen, you know, POV drives on Reels and TikTok and stuff like that, but I don't think I've seen actually long form YouTube videos like this one filmed with Meta glasses. But let me know what your thoughts are. I think they're pretty sick, but I don't know, never tried them out. So if you have any experience, drop a comment, let me know what you think. I know I talked about in a previous video hooking up my digi mics. I won't be able to do that until I get like this adapter for my GoPro, so that's on hold for now. Downshifts just sound so good in this car. I love it. Might throw a little burbles, short little burst, maybe 0.5 seconds of burbles back on. Currently I'm running no burbles. So can hear it, you know, as I'm coming down high RPMs. There's just absolutely no burble. Sometimes it'll shoot out like a couple maybe, but yeah. Yeah, you can definitely tell a big difference. Some people max out their burbles, and it's like the whole way down. If you're like, let's say in second gear and you're dropping down from like 4,000 RPMs coming down to a stop sign or something, the burbles literally last the whole way down, and it's too much in my opinion. But I think like a nice like pop or two is pretty tight. So I haven't had time to reflash my car. I have MHD, so all you do is just plug in this adapter up into the OBD port down there, and you know, run the software through Wi-Fi on your phone. It's super easy. You can remap the car, throw on multiple maps. So kind of want to do that soon, but just been busy, so we'll get around to it. So here we are, the local gymnasium. Like I said, about to get a quick lift in. Gonna do chest and back. Yeah, changed my split up from push-pull legs to basically upper body day on Mondays, or like, you know, whenever I start my week. So that's just chest and back. Then I move on to legs, doing a little bit more volume on legs, which feels good. Starting to feel a little healthier, stronger with my legs. Not as much pain in my back and my knees and stuff. And then we're doing shoulders and arms. So same sort of 3-day split, rest day, and then pretty much repeating. Sometimes I'll take a rest day, come back, only get 2 days in, then a rest day. Some days I'll get, you know, a rest day in, and then, you know, 3 days on again. So it just depends on kind of my schedule, how busy I am. I think I see an M6 up there. That's pretty much it for me, man. Appreciate you watching as always. Drive safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.